Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Periodontology series where we cover all things perio. My name is Dr. Clara, and in today's lesson, which is also the last lesson in this series, we will be talking about pharmacology and all other topics that I thought might be important for you to know for your exam. Now, just like in the rest of this series, all the information that I've seen come up on exams are bolded in pink, so do try to remember those. So, in this slide, I wanted to finish up with the last two phases of a periodontal treatment plan because I hope you remember that we have the preliminary phase, non-surgical therapy, and surgical therapy. So the third phase, also called the restorative phase, can start after the periodontal disease gets under control or is stable. And this is where final operative restorations are done. And also, if needed, fixed and removable prosthodontics. Now, the last phase, which is the maintenance phase, is more like